Hi guys. This is Igoro Tech. Today, you will learn how to back up and restore the Fortigate configuration. One of the most and very important process that can save your life. Backup and restore. It is recommended to back up your configuration once you're done configuring the device or every time you made some changes. You will be in a very difficult situation if you don't have backup configuration. You can also configure the automated backup of the configuration. To back up the config, click on the user at the top. Select configuration and you will have option to backup, restore and revisions. We will choose backup. Click on OK to proceed. Now, open the downloaded backup file. We will take a look on the file name. Igoro Tech is the host name, followed by the year, month, and date. And the remaining with the exact time of backup. Next process is restoring the backup file. For this demonstration we will factory reset the device. During the restoration, you have to consider two things: ensure no power interruption and do not manually reboot your device during the process. To do this, open the CLI. Run the command exe factory reset. You will be asked if you want to continue. Type Y to proceed. The factory reset takes time, but for this Fortigate 200F, I'm really surprised by the process. After reset, you need to log in again using the default IP address. Enter the default username with no password, then create new password for your account. To restore the configuration, click the user at the top, click on configuration and choose restore. Now you will locate and upload the configuration file. Enter the password if you have configured it during the backup process. If not, simply click on OK. Wait for the device to finish the process. That's all for today's demonstration. I really hope you liked this video. If you do, please like, share and subscribe. Also, click on the bell button for you to be notified for more upcoming videos. Thank you and see you in the next video.